the International Association on the Study of Dreams is having their third
mert hogy a PhD munkámat
మన కళలతోనే ఆ కళల ప్రపంచంతోనే
Ese gran recurso que tienen todas las noches o la mañana.
kunstenaarsperspectief.
Jeg synes at alle bør
The next conference will be at a beautiful monastery in the southern part of the Netherlands called Rolduc Abbey. It was founded by a dream of the monk Albertus. In a dream he saw a vision that at that place Abbey should be built. And it's really a beautiful, beautiful area, very affordable. It's a very cheap conference center. From this place you can go all over Europe. So we look forward to have a brilliant meeting in the Rolduc area, the stimulating Rolduc area, with all these people all over the world in Rolduc in 2019.
I'm doing my PhD research on children's dreams and their cognitive and emotional development.
I used to work for the European Space Agency and I used to work with astronauts, and this gave me the idea of looking into
I've been a
dreaming.
lucid dreamer since I was 3 years old. It started with nightmares that I became aware that I was
This
dreaming.
idea, this image that comes from a dream, that the ones that were there before me, that they are guiding me somehow. Like my
Dreams really kind of mark out your whole life if you're lucky. And I had one of these as almost my first dream. I probably was 4 years old.
In many indigenous communities, they have like what they call a dream circle. And in this circle, everybody talks about the dream.
We invite people from all countries, all disciplines, and people enjoy it.